Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. I am super excited about this tutorial. I love this look. I used two palettes to create this look, the Jackie Aina palette and the Carli Bybel palette in collaboration with Anastasia. So now let's get started. I'm going to start by taking the shade Bybel from the Carli Bybel palette on this MAC brush. It's a dense brush, which means the intensity of the color will be more. Just going back and forth and adding this color on my crease and the outer corner. Next, I'm taking this pink shade from the Jackie Aina palette on the same MAC dense brush. Remember to wipe off all the color on a dry towel before picking the next shade. I'm adding this pink shade right above the previous shade. I'm blending the edges of the previous shade with the pink shade. Next, I'm taking this purple color Big Wig on a flat brush and adding it onto my lid. I'm doing a few layers of this color on my lid before I add it to the crease. Then I'm taking the same color on my dense blending brush and blending out the edges, just going back and forth. Then I'm going to add one more layer of Big Wig on the lid. Now I'm going to wet my brush with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray, and I'm going to take this beautiful glittery shade called OA from the Carli Bybel palette and going to add it on top of the purple shade. I'm keeping the shade only on the center of my lid and keeping the inner and outer empty as I want to add a darker shade there. Next, I'm taking this shade Credit from the Jackie Aina palette and adding the color to my outer corner, just darkening the outer corner a bit more. I'm adding this shade to my inner corner too and just a little bit on my crease so it kind of looks connected. Next, I'm going to clean out all the fallout using the Bioderma Micellar water on a cotton pad. You can also use a makeup wipe if you like. Next, I'm priming my face with Huda Beauty Mattifying Primer. Don't over massage, just spread all over your face. For foundation, I'm going with the DoubleWear foundation by Estee Lauder in the shade 4W1. This foundation is buildable. You can get a light coverage as well as heavy coverage. Always remember to apply a foundation in layers for a heavier coverage. Next, I'm highlighting my face using my Estee Lauder DoubleWear concealer in the shade 3W Medium Warm. I like to use a darker colored foundation to cover any blemishes, and then I like to use a lighter concealer on these areas to highlight. Then using a beauty blender to blend. I'm using the same concealer to cover the dark circles under eye. I love this concealer for under eye. This concealer becomes like a sticker, so say goodbye to fine lines. And you just need one color to cover the dark circle and highlight. Again, using a beauty blender to blend. Always remember to use a dampened sponge. Next, I'm setting my face using the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Banana Bread. I'm first using a small brush to set all the areas I highlighted in the previous step, like the under eye, nose, forehead, under the contouring and around my mouth. I'm using a large brush to set my whole face and neck. I love this powder. It doesn't over dry my face and at the same time mattifies my oily face. Next, I'm contouring my face with Anastasia contouring powder, adding this right above my cheekbone. Next, I'm contouring my jawline. I love contouring my jawline to give a chisel look. Next comes this highlight. Oh my god, this highlight is life. I always end up breaking my highlights. Thank god this one is in powder form. It's a beautiful color which will suit any skin tone. Adding this right above the contouring, then on the bridge of my nose, my chin, cupid bow above my lips. Next, I'm contouring the sides of my nose with the same Anastasia contouring powder. Next, I'm mixing these two colors from NARS face palette and adding it to my cheeks and make sure it merges into the contouring. To complete this eye look, I'm going to take the shade Pinker on a pencil brush and add it to the lower lash line. Next, I'm taking the shade Cindy from the Carli Bybel palette and I'm blending the edges of the previous shade. Make sure there are no harsh edges. Next, I'm taking the shade Big Wig on the same pencil brush and adding it to the lower lash line and darkening it a bit more. Next, I'm adding the shade OA on the lower lash line, adding it to the center only. Then I'm taking the shade Trust Tissue on a pencil brush and adding this color to my inner corner to highlight my eyes and then right under my brows. Next, I'm adding the mascara to the top and bottom lashes. This mascara is Hypnose Mascara by Lancome. I think I got this one with my Sephora points. Next, I'm adding the Huda Beauty lashes. This one is in Hoodie. These are my current favorite lashes. Curl them before adding them. Then I'm lining my lips with Huda Beauty Lip Pencil in Bombshell. Love this color. I'm filling my lips with the same lip pencil. Then comes lipstick. This one is Demi Matte by Huda Beauty in the shade Bonnie. And that's the final look. I love this look so much. I'm so happy with the outcome. And I love these two palettes by Anastasia. Thank you so much guys for watching my tutorial. I'll see you all soon with some more tutorials. Till then, keep blending my lovelies.